Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to Salesforce Marketing Cloud series. In this video, I will show you how to dynamically show images based upon the customer preference stored in a data extension. So what we are gonna do, we have several images and we have the value of customer preferences of the products that they would like to purchase. So based on those preferences, we are going to show the images using Ampscript. So let's get started. First, I am gonna go. This is our email studio where I am inside the data extensions simulator folder, and these are the available data extensions. So I'm opening this exercise image data extension. So few of the things that we can note here. So external key is kind of we can say the unique ID of this data extension to identify it inside the marketing cloud. Then we have on the right side we have the fields, their types and what is the length, whether it is primary key, nullable, or what is the default value. Here you can see the count of the records present in this data extension, created date, last modified date, owner, location, type, and whether it is used for sending or testing, and subscriber relationship, which is not defined as of now. So that is the general properties of this data extension. Now let's go to the records. So here you can see there are only two columns, two fields available in this data extension. One is the URL of the image and one is the preferred sport. Okay, so based on this port value, there is the specific image available in this data extension. Okay, so now let's go back to the content tab and let's go to the simulator folder over here. So what we are gonna do is let's we already have created the Ampscript in this email. So we are just gonna I will just gonna walk you through what is written in this email and what is written in this Ampscript and what each and everything makes sense of. Okay, so I'll just click on edit and edit content, and I'll just click on this Ampscript code. Okay, so on the left side now we can see the Ampscript written over here. So first thing is it is starting from percent and starting of the big bracket. That means it is the type of block Ampscript. Okay, so now first thing happening here is the defining of a variable as preferred sport, and second, on line number 4 we are assigning the value of pref sport, that is nothing but the column of the data extension. Okay, so whatever value in that column, that will come in this variable pref sport. Then similarly we are doing for the image, so we are defining the variable @hero image, and then in the next line we are setting the value to this hero image variable using the lookup function of Ampscript. Now things to note here, there are 4 parameters given in this lookup function. So first parameter is the name of the data extension, that is our exercise underscore image. Second parameter is the what value we are fetching from the data extension, that is our hero underscore image column name. Okay, field name or column name you can say. And then third or fourth parameter are for filtration. Okay, so filtration means for third parameter is defining the column pref sport from the data extension where equals to the value of pref sport variable defined in Ampscript, that is the fourth parameter. Okay, so this lookup is gonna look for the hero image value based upon the pref sport variable value by matching it with the pref sport column in the data extension. Okay, that's how we are gonna get the URL of that image, and then in the image HTML tag we are using in the src Again, we are here using inline Ampscript with $% equals to value. V is nothing but the value of this variable at the rate hero img. Okay, so that's how this Ampscript is written, and that is what the meaning of each and every line and all the functions which are being used in this Ampscript. So I'll just gonna click uh, done editing here. Okay, then I'll just go to preview and test. This is nothing but our preview and test. We can select the data extension from here. So I'll just go to this data extension. I will select a record over here. So now as you can see, this particular member from the data extension or subscriber, we can say, it is having preface port as running. So based upon that, we have a image stored in our data extension, so that value is coming. Now I'll just change to the next subscriber. So here preface port is horseback riding, and based on that the image is populated. Okay, so that's how the Ampscript is working to populate the dynamic content over here. So you can check for multiple. So this is another subscriber where the preface port is weightlifting, so based on that the image is getting populated. So that's how you can populate dynamic content in your email using the Ampscript. So that was all about this video. If you find the content helpful, please like it and comment on it. For more, please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Bagherwal. Thank you.